amount of lies can defeat truth. Always the truth will defeat lies. 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 And the man who said, yes, and now my busy, I'm maintaining my life. Yes, my friend Chachimeno was ya Ghana who near Jumanya. What I say, come at the Wam or Funina Koshoquacho. Why a brebrenye Sikaku tokusia, Fakoto, Conwa, Nafatu, and one most in a dinner protein or redeem the Chachimeno. Oh, yeah, dang. I am for one, why won't you say be a watch me? Why won't you say, what the garam say? I say, won't you be a winning answer to me? Nya fin na me ba be pap obi achew enti me megina ha no asante hene na ba be yi mama o se enipa na musum ho na mutie no no emu 30% ni mo ye garamse no nyamnam ka hye na no ono ane kan enti se mo agimefo mo na mo ye garamse se nsuo na maba be ka abekamfo asante hene se waya ade sisi a wotie me nti o ka nokre. Said the your mind be because nobody is bigger than the truth. Nobody Tiria Mekani, why won't you see Biafa Kwasiako, Tiria Mekan, and Timopa Munye de Yamukran Majimia, Casamri was wabba, and Wabecha Wunsu the Achlemi, and Sue colorless. Obabroni Kruman, so be anywhere near court, so be anywhere need to say not yet. And so be a colorless, and yet Dawa and Sony Dawa share near a blue because a 5 color are reflected in a blue picture. Namudi mukrum and Suani a redder, and a redder. Munyanya hoto until some bet prove say and Suan was ya or Asante in on what mention. And you never say cotton tons as Asasibakuma Nipa base 5. And Nipa Asasibakutoma and Nipa base 8 no Mukokum. Asante hene abeyi mama mupa monso meyi ma na mehu so ka wona me blast no me si ameme gina asante hene chi wono no se eye ne ya se mu a minister regional minister actually letted the abre no so hwe so nkan on the ntwantro hwe so nkan obeka no kre enipa sum dam ho no MPP NDC ni ahemfofo ni nyina ni momom ye galamse na wagimi sei otu oman mu na wa wonim sei galamse se nsuo sensuo na selfish interest with Jimmy sika obenyanti o sensuo na ohene na akra no ne ya oka na me ka wo di Jimmy abetena na o di mpanifo atena wo kwase ya mo sensuo nim so wagimi enti kokko de kofie na ko bi sisa o manyina agufie na bi so mo se wote ewiase ne e di kura ma se kuro no hweso na se kuro no wo de ma obi na obese kuro mu ho nsuo nyina na kuro mu ofo nyina nya nsuo no ma wonim nyansa na wagimi bisa wa wo ma na o mo njejewo. And to want to send back crony idea, Muninamu, Jimmy. Listen to me and listen to me attentively. Why won't you mean to no crabby of Aquasiaco? This is a fire, special fire made a bow minum, Chimino, a 2 by force. But beer, Jimmy will be a me, Takoni serious. Timopa any Munya, I don't care. Kunyan see what nasu free, Kunyan, and I may catch you as a glass in Consto, then glass from Ura for man, Kunyasi, what did the free near the Adoko, Nujinasun, one at the Oko system, need Yajuma forever and ever. Steps in on crack glass in Kwan. What you so free, could it free, could you yam free? What's ya, Missy? A free neco. I got a kufa to me. Obo Bikro Munsuano, a Puano, a Kono, Kebibinis, Nipa. Differences in here, Jimmy. Mo instructive few rep ya non fa toilet mbrani fie mo bia nkwane ne wopoano jimi nko a bedi di free ni ade ade beje aduane na kodi de ni ade ade system ne ye adwuma forever and ever amen na me shall be bia so tie no pray. What you said? No video. Aye. I'm just recording my face only. You good, right? All right, thank you. You're welcome. Na me shall be bia so tie no pray. Bruni ni bani say no video making was here. Nam see me try my name. I make catch was a heavy na mo ni an si okwaji bi me nkwa ye hwe ba me mu ko wura toilet so. Jun so free na hwe toilet no so a e form no kura fe chen obi dam afro mu ho. Ba bi a wo ko jun so free wo ko you yam free no. E ho fe chen obi dam it's somebody's job. So no so bi bia obepepa ho be ye ba bia clean. somebody's job. We now say I come to do a drink and I'm we hire toilet so form. Toilet is on a mirror no member the toilet credit that's behind it. They see what charge your phone free charge and you free, will be a new schedule so free. And you young free, be free. And to be sound say be beginning soon yenipa. But June so free, we are me actually and my flash. And you free because of COVID-19. We are akata so said we are best separate more. Obey or Sansoa. And ye, one on Safasia. Oh, it was Safao. No, it's the number. What on Safa? Nassimina number, friend. What on Safa? Nassimina number. We are on Safa. A free toilet in the ground. We are tissue. A free. You need a sia who go do it. Who go do a timber will be bia no Jimina me do atema. Oh, Nanya is crassy. When you be a woody atem shall be a nipper bedi free. Nipper bedroom so free shall form. Now dear shall glass him. Oh, I'm Munina, my Jimmy Gun and Penny for you now. Want to say, Galamse, no, Munya, you'll be a hoto. I'm telling you, oh, be anywhere when you're hoto. Antimeno, I'm backing Asanteman. Where you, Mama? I'm supporting him. I dear Antimopa. Thank you, boss. Mopa Monso, Mummay video and Simon Munka say Asanteman involved in Galamse, and I made dinner tem. What you say? Until then, dear, Mona medium atema him from Ketuan, Mona my chimney. Tidia make a channel, and tis a mum may prove say Asanteman involved with the Asanteman innocent. Munis was your video, no, 1 year, may say Asanteman become okay, or a part of me, is your joining the movement now, momentum no, to develop the country no, or join here. That's been what drew on fire, Safa, can then what be. Huh? Bibini, Osha, Ocho on side bedroom, Ose Mato, Fansafa, okay. System need yet Dinasoka can then found. System need yet Juma forever and ever. System need yet Juma forever and ever. System need yet Juma forever and ever. Moon, I Jimmy for was here for him for phoning glass and people be Antoa. And I would Jirahano. Why you out Quanya, baby? Why you out Quanya? And one so bad, no baby, baby, I'll call you now, Pesor Johnson. And yes, my year, me person who baby a bathroom or person who security, person who baby you are person who bathroom and once me baby a bathroom would ya and natural and ye baby a bathroom or not check them ninjano. And bathroom baby a madio, memadio, or be a system need you might. Munina, my Jimmy Grammars. And Mo, me say, and me. Tie, when I'm Muntian, me will be any hot here for more catch me. My bag will be a befriend, you have a mouse. Ghana first, Nippa Mabro, was yes, I will be a Pietro was at Tasty School. System need, and yet. What to go the 2 Aquasia for and I'm saying so grand, I'm say, and I'm with this can ye be come fast, many matamo. Go the matu garam say I'm with the sense you are say Krumu assassin and Sikaben when you're from DM Wade Poti Amodi or mine Sikanai, Galamse Sikanai. Tell me, nobody can tell me any single thing. Modi Galamse Sikai or Ghana. Now, Quasia for more sense you are. When I'm waiting about Fansa Pass, your hand sanitizer and I be good some free. System need yet to my forever and ever. Huh? And so far, say free. Why, Munina, my Jimmy? Timisramo, Quasiabi Bodia. I on one assem, me, I don't believe in superstition. Opa Munkandiam, I don't give a damn about you. Ghana, yeah, Munya, Moto, I'm telling you. MPP NDC, Akufuad, Momoba, Mosimahama, yet, Yenim so yet, until yet to Amamu. Muja manum free education one once see amode jijiska mon kwase afo mo krade mo disappointed Ghana for chamber bia a Jimmy for glass nko glass in we iPhone on my release the latest one the moment GB near the system near Juma forever. The Ghana bit me glass I store die. You put the same iPhone. Apple head office. Glass in Yamin shall be as what you Tim Obianya Hoto a fumo. Glass in glass. Timidie makama semawi asemna makano. Nobody is bigger than the truth in a fumo. 2 hours, 20 oh, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Thank you. Glass. Glass. Obian who are bigger than the truth. See the Americano, when you watch me now, I say, I watch me. Mansuana Ninya Claire and one name in nobody is bigger than the truth. Or him be a ukromunsu, I say, be a watch me. Dear free Neko say, won't stop, or send this if one essence were found nice from Nako, Koye video, Ghana for my back site war, and this if one essence. Say MPP akoye video mabaho NPP for na essence go near you kroni ya odia tini ya dia ma asante hene kan wo se ono ntimi kan okre no we ne ya se moa ni nkofo na mudi galamse ni mahurusie asiafo ono timanhia obe ono nya adaje onko dunkwa nkotwa asase ma China ni onya adaje nko oboase nkotwa asase moa ahemfo ketewa na timopa mupa if Munka de mobeka bi I don't believe in superstition. Munfa mu Jimmy nkokra glass nko a. Hwafo pipa bi anto. De ma tina America no Ghana no opa yadepa. Se be ya me mouse nya sa me pakija na. Mudi agrokra America kra me mamu nsia bi o. I will give you pressure, serious one. Cause yen tena ho mamu nyimi sa nko masa achedodo masa yen tena ho Jimmy ne doso. Now we go to Timber will be Dubai on the way. Now we are no munya independence. Oil keke no wasi ako he Dubai. No more say we are my sikanam de to top feel Dubai the Toto hotel near the Dubai. My Jimmy said the other. No my nyaman be jam. Wasi ako be come here from. Make Jiramo so serious. Dubai oil keke no more oil you will be petrol you will be now to be amo to petrol. A Jimmy for na just oh my more heat is Oda na jua oda sum akronfo so ba be wiawo tese ba bia be fa bi ahokyere nko aduane kura wonya bi no adi mummi adwuma agimifo nko na mo kwasiafo nyame ayadom manyam na me blast mo a yes na odi me I don't give a damn me info bia ho ne muchimi me info bia ho ne muchimi o ma mo fa mo ma mo bia nkasa bi o mo kama ntum afu mu mo bia ma internet no so bi o kwasiafo until say you can prove me wrong say me krom ni ensuo ni nyina ni blue. I'm telling you ensuo ye colorless, water is colorless. And if you can prove me wrong with evidence, say me krom galamse in majai, me innocent, menka ho. Until that, munyina machimi. I'm telling you, the truth. Nobody is bigger than the truth. Obian who kwasiamu krom fo no nyina o hene no de okura uchimi no kura town. Na ontimi nka no kure wa Jimmy santu nim se wo de me se wa akobisa oma de okura uchini no kure ope no kure onu kura fa hu wa abehye ba bi hwe me obetie no kure. The truth will always defeat lies. I'm telling you the reality. Glass in kwan heavy no still be akronphobia me bono e glass system ne je adwuma forever. Ti say wa dwen say wa busuamfo pe wasem dia. I'm telling you, who serve the people in the country. Tina me ka chem say ayi Akufuado now you know the buy free education I'm supporting initiate but tell me who's our for no to sika bribe near the idea see aye bibia now badge so to sika na musa massa. This is not free education, it's called affordable education. Chroma free education so na confirm bibia anko so de ko si wo bag just bibia everything bag I do school no man na begumina government is going to provide for you. See I no ka say Joe Biden or the just 3 months by creating 1.5 million jobs. The make actual akrabio kroma bia be man every month $300 a bag Ghana sika me buru 50 million akrabia ya o kroma bia yet krom na no $1,400 ya chama bia COVID-19 since COVID-19 ya cha o test ya free ko wa free. This is what we call leadership. See the make actual this is what we call onya adwuma kona ko chiro din e wo pipa so file bank account to fail it. I'm unemployed. Every week the government is going to pay you. This is what we call leadership. You write your name and fill the form. You go somewhere. We call it food stamp. Every day go to any supermarket. Buy any food that you want. It's a ATM credit card. For a government job, government mission is to provide for the people. For you, your mission is to serve the people, not the people to serve you. I'm telling you the reality. Dubai or Henny Nesiwo or your Henny to say more. Or Jimmy to say your Jimmy na or to desert so. What me any crew ya my yo fema with Jimmy who saw Kusiwo, say me go Dubai. I'm telling you, nobody. Internet is free, nobody. No beyond a tough phone, man. Nobody is bigger than the truth. Watch me. I'm telling you, glass and coin. If you are designing special way of glass and coin stone. To want me to know Caribbean for Jimmy Co. Many moves here, I'm not going to talk. Me free, I'm going to warm up, baby. What you say? It's whatever. Be afford to know be me be bash go straight forward and will be you're very careful because right now a jana Ghana beyond imagination you be see that I'm telling you a jana beyond imagination when you start thinking in chain now many as I am from Ketwane last day because me be a phone light to my Ghana ni be no bet my friend say o 2 4 or say to nante de ne ko asase su kocha asase man ama asase no o si dan si so wie ya ba bebu se enya wanto amfiri o hene ho na e obi asase no o 2 4 simansia ho onko ba bia ahemfo nketo na edi bone de hye no na ono abe clear say 70% na egu ho no ebetimi aye innocent by 30% na egu on de o confident a e kire say omuka omunim kofu aye galamse no omo ani omo na ye omunim galamse fo ni no omunim omo mu sekuro no waka the man said it and I'm appreciating the man for being honest. Nobody's bigger than the truth. I can't say anything. I can't say otherwise. I have to appreciate the man for being honest. Until say you people have come to prove him wrong, say Obwa or not see a part of the Galamsey people. Until then, Munyina imagine. Mobekasa Kahua, Namensuma Medina Kahun, Medina Tembi, Minsuro Biati Mekano, but as long as I don't want Kauna or woman beside, no. O Tumfo or say to Sammy or Remy, or Nimse, Wabekano Cre, why the also ye Wakano Cre 30%. When we talk of 30%, what you say we 100 people, Jinabia. Near 30% of 100 people are a nipa 30 and a jirahono. And when they involved, and a 70 no omodie or minimum more, and 30% of the people are involved. And that is what I'm saying. To 2 for now, it's mean kind of crew, but I was so mean and you know, kind of creno on one kind of creno. And I appreciate him for being honest. Mekano mi video minim se twi na monti as a brofo na menka. That is what I said. Ontimenka, but I was o mi na nika, regional minister and abeto na nim so onka but ontimenka. But bridge minister natural throw the abetu na nim so on kan but was your hwɛ anim a he's not going to say it. Obeka okre no. Obeka no kre no. And waka no kre na I appreciate him. Obi e ka no kre akofo adumo ka no kre a enka o man nka enye te se de aye no. Akwaji bosia mo de mu chimi what is broni abeje bosia wa Africa da. Mo de da bia bosia mo nyina ma chimi kra ma me kra. Na mo jije bosia krono so nipa ma ho kire mo na bosia na mo je na mo se ye je bosia nti uti krono mu ntua hwe untua roadway untua petrol untua we normal kroma normal bebre wa untua e free me ko hura ajonso dam ho na tigate anu a wo je misika. I'm telling you, free normal bebre bibia e free enti mo no you everything you take money but mo so na mo bobosia agimi fo na sika na kwan kwan. Hey, until say Jimmy no eto betwa no munya hoto. I'm telling you. Mama kwaji smoothie kura ni mu so. Let me go for smoothie and shit. Did free. Aduani si wana on iska no answer catch up. Give me some food. I'm gonna eat smoothie, man. Smoothie shit. Glass in kwa. Store them glass. Crophobia in here. Man, you know here. Me kura me dam in two muda. Glass in kwa. Ghana kura na me ne here no. Ade abechi ni abebu ani. Huh? Now the baby asikan wanya untimi ni glass in kwa. Glass. Yeah, me yan no nua we wa odum sampele mahogany e pine wo Ghana Jimmy nko a we nyina wa na broni akofa no de aba Jimmy bibini krom apart from say ye de dua echi awiesum ye de ton doko no ye de ton de ehu mfaso obi ani dua so bibini krom bio Jimmy nko a broni dia special design glass nko glass nko a store dan me wa bia Konya ne sisi wotena so free ni ade system ni ye adwuma forever Timesra mo obi anya hoto. Hi, how are you? Morning. Roni bano odi omse why busy ni ade ba me pese me catch na me ye mai obeya man. Hi, please give me banana. Hi, thank you. But ti o wi obe frame ni ade. Ti obi a open respect and respect yourself, the respect is going to come. It's automatically going to come. Respect is reciprocal. Someone respecting Kufona and Moody West so your henna will say woman, one monsoon, Nina, and sweat to say Moja. You don't respect your people, so don't expect anybody to respect you. You are never going to get any respect from anybody. And I'm telling you, say, who do you crouch in your cramp? Because the Monsieur Jimmy, beyond imagination, you crouch in your what you cramp, but they will laugh in front of you. I'm telling you. And to a henny be or Ghana bia, Galam saying, want to now you cry my Jimia. Mobetimia could tube a Eurabim baby, no more to ensure a Buddha or Namdi Machia Siso, Namdi no who go to know, none soon I fat and so many conyasis and Timuba Bridge and so a prophetic one Yamakono, Winnie Pana, Winnie Pa. You people are sick, man. I gotta tell you. Any compare from people be Antoa. Which me shop from no San Juan. You people are crazy, man. To forget it, Obia case, forget it. I've told you, superstitious belief. Soft bisu be winning in Kwasasem. Abba say no, everybody want to talk. Now I want to swear Dini and the other because one who mentioned they would just want people to know them. They just want to create awareness. Obia Ojimi be Amunya no yimi. But the truth, nobody is bigger than the truth. The whole Ghana. Nobody is bigger than the truth. And to much me, me the bemo mamu, me the musi amen kasabi unyame shiro bibia so tie no kre. Me try me dia ne ya ready. Yeah. What you said? Yes. Yeah, I bet. But I mean famusi ana me nya aduane ni na me de me. Yeah. Some nipa magugu abonten na affordable house amahama si ya nya ne bottom sika ni nyina magya na pro nkwase afo na magimi se ya na me ba begyina wa me se na odi mpanifo atem na mpanifo do wodim so magimi fo asem afa atem ne to nkyɛn na yi asem no tackle the message insult ne de o magimi na mde mo mamu obi otegana bia nim se wonim se krom hofo na ato abama omo de da fom na kosa light to abama na omo da fom no agyan ama affordable houses si wo se ya pro watch me grow from market enipa nya adwuma nye asi krom finfin ama na dane fofo adane forest ama dan no kura bubu a mu nyina ma chimi konfa no che hospital yenya bed na so yenya room emfa nkofo ngu eho nma gya dan ama na si wo na dan na complete na si wo na dan na apro ama ma sa kobu agu a mu nyina ma chimi because dan na si wo no man complete sha na nso to gusu ana enonom na fi ama dan na yemre bibika na dan ni nyina start bubu na bibi broni agimi sa ka obede na nikroma yi ukobọ bosia medisi hospital wusia eduru wo ya beboso anu agyan na ka wuram na sika na sei no asa akobọ bosia foforo na de akosi school dan wusia anu amana ka wuram no agyan no asa abọ bosia foforo no akọ start market wusia no. You are sick, you are ill, you are sick, you are crazy, I'm telling you. What chimi Ifu ukwaje bosia for complete ade na wo de be ye ni wie. You people are sick. What the man from Jimmy obi fa ni Jimmy mra me so be fono no. Wasia when you come metimi me we free internet ye free. Wo de mamun kama no ntum na mun tata ho en grant interview no hene na hwan munya nkwase ade every day me ba mo so. Me mount pressure na bagirigiri. Mamu mere mu ho ase na mu nsebu mukromfo na munye nkwase ade bi wo. Hi, how are you? That's good. I bet. My bro, Tracy Boache Mohe. My first one here. What you said? Okay. There you go. Yeah, I'm good. I'm live. What you? Yeah, I do. You know, I'm fighting with the president of Africa, one of the presidents and the chiefs in Africa. Yeah, I am a public figure over there, so I said something and they are angry and I'm angry, so we are fighting.
This is not the place for fighting.
I know.
No fight, just love.
Yeah, this is love, right? Abrofo Mano, tell them this is love. We are love. Tell them something.
In love.
I bet. Abrofo Mano say yo, do you want to say something? Say hi.
But let me show you something.
I bet I'm doing. I'll be back. Because
no, because your followers see this right now.
Okay, let them see. Yeah, Asanteman. Look, you. I bet.
Welcome to my office.
Yeah, okay.
What is your name?
My name is Jonas.
Jonas. How many followers do you have?
I have 90.
90. Oh my God. Okay, I'm from Colombia.
Yeah, Colombia. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So whatever you want to say it quickly because I have to say something and then because everybody is watching right now.
Okay.
And then I need some few hours to go and that's it.
Okay, I'm gonna do a skincare routine for you. Okay. What do you use for your face?
How do I see my face?
Yeah. What do you do? What do you?
I don't do anything. I just wash it and that's
it. No. So your followers are gonna look. How do you face? Okay, it's not clean.
Okay. Oh, baby, my name free. Why? Do you need to have them catch us or don't need free? So is it free or money? I don't have money.
Yeah, it's free.
It's free. Okay, tell them.
You pay with followers.
Okay. I understand. I say it's free.
This is the first step.
Okay.
This is some exfoliating. It's a peeling. Okay. With this, I'm gonna remove your dead skin. Okay. You have a sunspot.
Okay.
Okay. With this, your sunspot disappear. It's very easy. Where are you from?
Ghana.
Ghana.
Yes.
Okay. So you speak Which language?
You speak African language. It's called chi.
I speak Spanish.
Okay, Spanish. Okay.
Yeah, do you know?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, hola, ¿cómo estás?
No, I don't know how to speak, but I know.
Are you followers?
Yeah, some of them do.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, le estoy limpiando la cara. This is Spanish.
Okay, okay.
Look, with this, I can remove all your dead skin.
Okay.
Because you don't take a shower today, or yes?
I did.
Yes?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, look.
Yeah.
Don't take a shower. The followers say that don't take a shower.
I go watch you. Yeah. Oh.
Look, on the dead skin.
Okay.
This is because the soap and water doesn't have the cleaning in the skin.
Okay. Okay.
What say your followers right now? About this?
They are laughing. They are enjoying it. They are showing love.
You
Yeah.
don't take a shower.
I want watch you. Yeah.
This is the first step.
Yes. Yes.
The second step is this toner.
Yes. Yes.
You
Yes.
know what is this toner? Or what works the toner?
Okay.
The toner.
You are money. I'm in the money. Yeah. That's why I'm speaking the Ghana language for them.
The toner works for a detox in your skin. Have you ever think a green juice?
Yes.
Yeah, the green juice is for a detox the body, man. Okay?
Okay.
With this you can get a detox in your skin. Okay?
Okay.
Look, man, don't not take a shower. And how long time do you live here?
What you said?
How long time do you live in New York?
Yeah, I live in New York. This is my place. But yeah.
Are you born in Ghana?
Yeah, I do visit there, but not so often.
Why you have followers? Why?
I'm famous there over there. I'm a public figure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I do music, I do movies, I do a lot.
Oh, you have to sing, man.
Yeah.
You have to sing.
Yeah,
If you sing right now, everybody's gone.
No,
You have to sing.
I produce music. Yeah.
Ah,
I go watch Jimiana. Oh, mommy, okay. So do it quickly.
finally, it's a moisturizer.
Okay.
This is a right water moisturizer.
Okay.
With this, you can moisturize your skin without oil because your skin is oily.
Okay, I'll come back and get them all.
Oh, today the discount, man. Today it's free for you.
It's free, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Look the difference. It's amazing.
Yeah.
You can see any difference?
Yes, I do.
This is after and this is before.
Yes.
You like it or you love it?
I love it.
Okay.
So,
what is the best part? If you say me the order, for you it's free.
Alright, so
Which is the first step, the second and third? Which?
alright, so listen, I'm gonna grab my smoothie. I'll come back and we'll talk about it. Alright.
Smoothie?
Yes, right there.
Okay,
Yeah.
don't worry, take a seat, the smoothie. Bring the smoothie.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'll come back right now.
But today it's free for you,
It's
man.
free for me. It's free for me. I understand. I'm gonna start life again because it was touching an important issue, which I need to go back to where I came
Where's
from.
your accent from?
I'm from Africa.
Ghana.
Ghana. It look like Nigeria, but yes. You do have Nigerian friends. They speak like me, right?
From Lagos.
Yeah, Lagos. Yeah, they speak like me. Yeah, same. So I'll come back, buddy.
It's only $60.
I know. I'll come back. I'll come back. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You pay with followers.
That's what I'm saying. I'm going to start the life again and then we talk. For Jimmy Komasa, hello. Yo, please, I'm back. Challenge, I'm sure BB has Otiena. I bet. Etimisamo Ghana penny for way I brought from penny, but move out the Agra man could have your mummy as I know me, Missa. Yeah, the Yamin shall be as Otiena. Obviously, Nanano. Oh, I get. Alright, thank you. I'm good to go, right? I think so. I have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye. Challenge, I mean, shall be as well. Free. Smoothie shit. I mean, the movie we were having, I mean, the other. Asa. Oh, be promoting my chilling. Yatra Ghana, bro. And Timunya Yahoto, I'm telling you. Obi a opa ahotobia, you're gonna get it. Do the right thing, that's it, and I'm gonna appreciate you. I'm gonna see for more this canina to Tofiema. I trace you watching money Moisha Budumo. Normally a Pompeo Mutopia was a negamona Minyamu, my bed jamo, my becca said Monamo ya debi. O two for no class of Potome. Say Munima may catch them. I'm telling you the reality. O two for support to me, Ojinamachi the name. Or show me Debia. Tino for me and you was it Debbie. Jonas in tea, and some cannot correct. 30% of my own people, including the politicians, are Muslim damn. You people are the people who know the people who are damaging the water. Mona mood sell mining soon. Antiquasia bisu about the ya. Na moi to Ghana ho. Semunim diaba. The best person is a mobile. I know be all kind of creature say Jimeno. Nanyiniche. Namwai is the best person, the correct person. Ah, it's a mobile. DKM or Tigana, one the best person of Fatabia. What you say? Obia Beji Musika and the free no to was a TV station, be a FM station. I to talk our man and plan for sending the artist for no Diomunam. Was a dim what Namusam with Jimmy Musa wishing happy birthday Namoy. Munama Jimmy Cramam, more supporting Namoy in Amoy and Quasiapo. Glass in corner. Smooth this shit. Hey, what do you do? At the fucking did it free. My question is free. I'm going to have it. And your friend is a Mamuono. When your friend a Mamuono, there were so many courts. Go there, collect food for free. Groma be a filling station will be a petrol and tomb forever and ever. Amen. Who got to petrol, economic coffee free. Free coffee see every petrol station. And you're free. Jason and found. Until then, many will be answer because nobody is bigger than the truth. Wajimi, Ukrum for enum suonani, etise moja, ani to say kojain, ani to say at a chance to ataguma, wouldn't mean answer, we are what Jimmy until say unsu any bear clan idea, or henny beer, what the galamsa saying, Krumunsu beer, what Jimmy. I'm telling you, glass store them here, glass. Mupa any mupa mumu, mupa munshepu, mukasa mekasa. Mudi atema meba be di matem. Tiye make a chere money. Ti mahu amani o, se si ade mahu amani. And I make a chere no meno. The truth will always defeat lies. Into wa hemfufo na o nkra na di wachi o mo kra ntuma mu yo na o mo mpe wasemo. Because o maame ekokwa so na akromfo akobu akowie omo busiamfo bre what you say so ye wo good ye wo bibia ye ewo se ye kro we omo ne hwe enti so adwe so omo pe wasem dia. I'm sorry, it's a lie. I'm telling the reality. Obi o wiase bi ape nokre otie ntoro ne cha na afono no enti esi akufo ado ne hu ye nkofo ahin no me obi beka akufo ado atema na me pe na bo no. I was supporting Akufo-Addo 100% because I'm a Jimmy Dodo. But, and then Akufo-Addo, me who no cry me I'm a punching bro because no one he, huh? We just said them Mahama yeah na no ye. One, what you am cry me so? She mean kwa. One when you me channel. Chrome ham cry wa nyina me catch will be say on ye doom Ghana lighter on you need that. On you need because nobody has ever believed say ye will crowd we say to me doom light. Smooth this shit. Entimunya nya hoto. I'm telling you, minimum see nyamisha obi bia so abeti no kre. The system is working 24/7. Na me catch you say Chrome store dan bia be a glass in kwa Chrome phone anu abebo no. Come to Akwaji aduane di free masa. Untimi ntua out die car no atwera mom. I can't pay my rent. They are going to pay for you. Abai betua ma and nti na yato abama no. Na said ye. and to say Ghana, Kuram Kwasiafu, a baby, and every my age, no, Musama, or Majuma, so and Jimmy for us, or as he was, as of once, when you are old Breno, say, and I won't ask you or cassette penny for me, while I was winning some penny for in Ajimi. Jamawi Yare. Challenge Kunyan is your transfer free in Yari. Jamawi Yare. Bye bye. The system is working 24/7. Life is good in heaven on earth. May the quality music about. They see I'm here in America. May they promote Ghana. I'm here to say Ghana. Yeah, baby, I just a bossy uncle. I'm going to promote Ghana internationally. To Bianco YouTube. And go home and you na me damasi. Menu na friend glass in Kwano. Or it's almost 1 million views within a month. In fact, I can see phone come German more Ghana on the Cromunian views. There will be a so support to me push Ghana for it. The next song I banned the Miami Tony Giddy Pa and to say we now me talk to Ebino. Next song on me to be pa. We are promoting Ghana where Ghana has never been before. Everywhere I go, I mention Ghana. What just say?